going to cook and go to look. There's another ice cream, but guys, not tell no lie. It's raining cats and dogs. Look at the drops, them how them big guys. Oh my goodness. But guess what? If it comes, we're really glad because we've been anticipating this rain for ages. Every day the thunder start to roll and the lightning flashing and the place dark up and it just looked like it will rain, and as soon as the rain pushed down, it no bother to come. So I'm gonna see if it will come today. So guys, if it come, I don't mind staying and get the ice cream. So I'm gonna see what I want. Alright, so if it come down harder, I'll return. But for now, this is what's going on, and it's Sunday, guys. So we are hope and pray that it come. It is after 4 p.m. and it looks dark already like a night. Oh my goodness. Look at this view, guys. Anyway, I'm hoping that it will come and it will fall and that banana down there will get bigger. So guys, it's raining right here in Jamaica, the land we all love. Anyway, listen to some of the ASMR rain sounds. The rain. Woo! That comes out nicely. It's coming down nicely, guys. Look at that! Oh my goodness. We are actually getting some rain. It's going on for over 2 minutes now, which is a good look, guys, and you can smell the rain. But I'm wondering if it's gonna come harder because sometimes the rain fall but the dirt is still tough. You understand? So we don't like if it's gonna fall harder, so you can soak the dirt. You understand? Yeah. So the rain still going the same way. No harder, but it is still going. Jamaica. Woo! 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 Oh, The Jamaica eat KFC. I eat my dinner. What's that? KFC, I eat my dinner. What is wrong? What's up with KFC like that? So eat your dinner and still I can't eat KFC. Now look at it. I didn't order the right thing. I should have ordered barbecue. Now the candle burn and it burns very steady, and it is about 4 hours since I've lit this candle, and look how it burned. The wax all melted off. So now I can happily turn it off so that the next time when I ignite this candle, I can, it will burn easier, and then it won't have any thing at the side and a hole in the middle and all that. So it's very important for you to let your candle burn at least 4 to 5 hours before you put the candle out. So that's it, my friend. Let's put this candle out.